Today our topic is how to connect the stand with our Facelook X1. And you can see, it's a small box. It's the Facelook X1. Amazing products. And this bigger the box is our stand. And later I will unbox and we will check out the related accessories inside the box. Thank you. It's the quick installation guide. It's our amazing device, Facelook X1. So you can see the design integration. Very nice. It's an adapter. It's a power cord. It's a wall mount kit. So you can see it's connected for the kits. It's the easy installation guide. Very, very solid. The port for stand. The base. Okay. It's the wheels for base. It's a connecting plate to connect the black bracket of a Facelook X1. So you also can see the screws. Okay, so now let me introduce our product manager, Gary. And Gary will demonstrate how to install the stand and connect the Facelook X1. Gary, please. Thank you. So now Gary is going to install the wheels with the base. Okay, and the second step, we are going to put the port on the base. Okay. Then now we connect the plate with the port. Now we are going to demonstrate how to adjust the height of the stand. Gary, please. So you just screw loose, and then you can adjust. Very flexible for the height. Now we screw tight. Okay. And then later we are going to demonstrate how to connect the Facelook S1 with the stand. Okay. So now we demonstrate how to move out the back bracket of Facelook X1. We will use the small tool. The screw loose in order to take out screws. And now we move out. Okay, so now we are going to move out screws. and we are going to screw tight. Connect the back bracket with the convert plate. Okay, let's connect the device with the stand.